Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Good morning everyone! It's 9:30 ng umaga. Titidrop natin ang ating Ate Paris sa kanyang kindi. Say good morning, sabi ito siya ay magnanap na rin, oh. Hagod-hagod na ng kanyang mata. Say good morning, tita and tito. How are you all? Yes? Magsasakyan kami guys kasi after namin i-drop itong ating Ate Paris. Ate Paris, come here, be good morning sa ate. Ay, didiretso kami ng shopping center guys kasi meron akong appointment sa optometrist kami. Say hi, you can see. You can see. Hi. So, I'm just gonna put the pram in the car. Isn't that right, Ling Ling? Isn't that right, Ling Ling?
Are you going in the car this time?
Yes, we are. Tapos, alis na kami. Careful, please. Look, stay behind her, look. Stay behind her. Stay behind her so she won't fall.
A few moments later.
Kakapark lang natin sa harapan ng school ni Ate Paris. And, as I was saying before, after dito, diretso na tayo sa optometrist ko doon sa shopping center. Kasi last week, nakatanggap ako ng text message na dumating na daw yung trials na contact lenses ko. So, di ba nag-vlog ako last time? Pumunta ako rin for contact lens na check. And then, na ano na daw, na deliver na daw yung pang trial. So, yesterday, I made an appointment para sa fitting. So, yeah, doon tayo pupunta ngayon. It's not until 11:20 or 11:30. So, we still have a couple of hours. But then, ayoko nang uwi-uwi ng bahay. What would you like to say?
I want to say,
Is that what you want to say?
yeah.
That's good. Nice to see you though, guys. Nice to talk to you. Okay, put the shoes on now. Is that the right way?
This one. It's this one. I'm doing
Hello. 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 Have a look. Have a look at you. There. There na ko. Lily. Yeah. Ala, hindi niya nakikita ang kanyang sarili. Turo na lang din siya. There. Finished it? Okay. Then you come in here. So, yeah, tapos, yun ang nga sabi ko guys. So, diretso na lang kami doon para meron kaming time din na bumili ng regalo for my pinsan today. Kasi, birthday niya, well, magsi-celebrate kami mamayang gabi after work ni Daddy Mike. We're going to my tita's house. Doon kami magdi-dinner daw kasi parang early celebration yata ng birthday ng pinsan ko. So, it's going to be a busy day today. Isn't that right? Are we going to... Oh, we have to find the card na for later. You make the card before we leave later, okay? You gonna make it?
yeah.
Oh gosh, you're silly driving. Come this way. Sana. Alam yan. Don't be dito namin, ha? Huh? You said you're not gonna be naughty today. Okay? Are you gonna be a bucket filler today? Okay, up na, so we can go. Say bye-bye, tita. We'll see you later.
Bye-bye, Tita. I'll see you later.
We'll see you later after Paris Kindy. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Turn down by himself.
I know. Okay, we'll go that way. We'll go out that way, okay?
I want to go after me.
Yeah, I know. Pasok na si Inday. Yan ang kanyang pa-outfit today. Show me your outfit, Ate B. Ate. Wow. Can you remember who bought you that dress?
Lola Karen.
Correct. Huh? Tapos yan, nalagay ko sa kanyang hair. Oh, okay.
Mommy.
A few moments later.
Alam niyo bang kanina pa kami nakarating dito, guys? Dito pa lang kami sa car park. Hindi kami lumabas kaagad. Kasi, tingnan nyo. Kita ba? Hinihintay ko, pinatulog ko siya ng konti. Oh my papa. Laki na ng ating baby Celine. Buyag. So, it's nearly 11 o'clock now. And I think my appointment is 11:20. So, need na namin lumabas para alis na. So, ayan na ang ating pram na ilabas na. Ito na lang ay ating gigisingin. Lang ni mama. Shush! Shush! Yan, nakalabas na ang ating baby girl. Very sleepy pa rin. Probably just keep the thing closed para makatulog. Ay, yung baby namin. Oh! Ay, gosh, ang laki-laki na naman ng baby namin. Oh, okay. Still sleepy. Say, I'm still sleepy, tita and tito. Alright. We'll go now, okay? We'll go now. Mama, oh! What did you do? Did you take your headband off? Put it back, please. Look like a girl. Oh, baby. Ang ipon ngalihan. Peekaboo. Medyo maaga pa kaya bumili muna kami ng muffin sa cafe na yan. We're actually waiting for our hot chocolate. Yummy. Here, gusto niya talaga yung lahat eh. Give that to mommy, babe. Oh, good catch. Pa-shoes pa yan siya, oh. Sampaa pa lang, oh. Nagkape lang kasi ako kanina. Maybe dito na rin tayo magla-lunch, anak. Time na, be? 11:07. Yummy? Do you need mama's help? Look! Yum. Yum. Good. No. Kaya enggak makan mama lagi. Tapos na rin tayo doon. So, mommy is now wearing the contact lenses that they let me try. So, susuot ko to siya for the rest of the day and I'll make sure na komportable siya sa mata ko. This little one here has done a great job. Yes, but she's drinking hot chocolate. Pangilog sa baso ni Mama. So, ito yung contact lens na trial. Ayan. Sabi not for sale. Ay, don't eat that one, okay? Yeah. So, meron pa siyang laman na isa dyan. And then, meron pang laman na dalawa dito. So, yung prescription ng aking mata, guys, is the same. So, dalawa, the same yung grado. So, sabi nila, susuotin ko muna itong apat. So, you know, tomorrow, the next day, and then I'll make sure na parang komportable ako sa contact lens na to bago ako bumili. Kasi diba, it's not cheap, guys. And we'll make sure na okay sa akin. And so far, okay naman, guys. Kitang-kita ko na ang mundo. Nakakita na ako from here. It's very nice talaga na walang suot na glasses, guys. Yung parang walang ano dito ba? Tignan nyo, oh. So, kakasuot ko ng glasses. Tignan nyo, oh. Ano na dito. Ang tawag dyan, uy, meron ng mark. And also, sorry guys, ang aking mukha ay may peeling effect. Kasi sa ating Skin Magical. Don't bite it, okay? It's not for eating. It's not for eating. So, ito guys, yung contact lens na to is daily lang siya. So, disposable. So, after ko siyang masuot, I can throw it away. So, hindi siya yung paulit-ulit ba. It is safer that way. Parang mas, ano siya, mas safe siya sa mata. Yung bang hindi siya, walang bakterya na ganun. Kasi, pagkatapos ng suotin, pwede na siyang i-dispose. Yes, yes, yes. Where are we going now? So, we're gonna go for a walk. And see what's available for us. Ready na? Ready? Big girl ni Mama, oy. Currently 1 o'clock. Nagla-lunch kami ni Baby Celine, guys. Dito kami sa Asian na pagkain sa food court. So I've got fried rice here with some vegetables. And then umorder din ako ng bunbuay, yung spicy, Vietnamese spicy noodle soup. Alam nyo guys, sobrang ano ng mukha ko guys. Anong tawag doon? Hapdos ba? Anong tawag sa Tagalog sa hapdos guys? Kasi nga dahil sa nagpipil na naman siya ulit. Kasi yung Skin Magical, nag-stop ako. Tapos na I feel like parang bumalik siya. Kapag, ganyan pala yun guys, kapag nag-stop ka ay bumabalik siya sa old state ng yung mukha. So, naglagay ako ulit. At yun na naman guys, parang nag-ano na naman siya. Pipiling na naman siya. Especially dito oh, dito na side. Ganyan. So, I don't like the feeling. You like the feeling? Yummy. So, nahintay ko pa lang yung aking noodles. Ito lang muna yung ginakain namin. Kaya ginagawa pa nila. So, from here, we will go to Kindi straight away kasi matatapos sa Tibares at 3 o'clock. So, pipick upin na namin siya kaagad. So, dito ang dito. So, dito ang dito. Yummy. Yummy. It's ready. Ayan. Pinalagay ko siya sa takeaway kasi just in case na hindi ko siya maubos, which normally yan yung nangyayari, ay madadala ko siya ulit. Uli sa bahay. Uli sa bahay Tagalog. Tagalog, Bisaya. Okay? So hot. You want more? Okay, I'll give you one. Okay, careful. Ay, lawan na. Lini, you're just playing manak ah. Yummy. Yun sa? Hang on, hang on.
A few moments later.
What are you looking for, Lini? Ning Ning? Which one? Which one? Huh? Did you find the one that you like? Did you? Ate Paris is here now, guys. Na-pick up na namin siya from Tindi.
Yeah, we have a car.
Hello, anak.
Wow, hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Ayan. Meron na siyang card. So, she's going to write something for Tito Andre. Ay, ang ating baby girl na isa yung umiyak na rin. What are you going to write there, anak?
I have to think.
Huh?
I have to think.
You have to think? Okay. Alright. Ating baby girl isa ay dito. Ang dilim-dilim! Ang dilim-dilim! Ada! What happened to your hair band? Your headband, ay? Bye! Did you drop it? Ang kusik-kusik, kusik-kusik. Ang kusik-kusik. Nakahangon nak. Hamlok sa linak. Ang kusik-kusik. Ang kusik-kusik. Ay, okay. Okay. Pupunta pa sana kami doon sa ano, guys. Before kami umuwi. Doon sa bibilhan namin ng para sa birthday ni pinsan ko. So sabi ni Daddy Mike kasi may pinsan he goes to the gym. Sabi ni Daddy Mike maybe it's on the other side. Anak, right there, anak. Maybe yung ibibigay namin sa kanya is yung protein powder. Nak, put that away, anak, be. Siling. Oh, come here na.
Here, mommy. Hold
Kaya nga lang, may nag-message sa akin, guys, na buyer ng bags natin. Sabi niya, pupunta daw siya dito sa bahay around 4 o'clock para tingnan yung bag. So, kaya umuwi na lang ako. Siguro pupunta na lang kami mamaya. Late naman siguro silang mag-close. Then we'll go buy the protein powder. Okay, let's go. So, it's 6 o'clock ng gabi at pupunta na kami sa bahay ng aking tita. Paris is all dressed up. And Celine too. And Daddy too. Tignan niyo ang outfit na si Paris. Diba ite? Show me your outfit. Oh, wow. Have a look at her hair. Yeah, binili ko yan sa kanya. Kanina pumunta kami ng shops. Oh. Iba talaga ang ating madam. May handbag pang dala. How about Lini? Hi, Lang Lang! Love na, Daddy. So, madilim na siya, guys. Kasi nga, 6 o'clock. And yung drive papunta sa kanila is just over half an hour. So, we'll get there just before 7. Ready, steady?
Go.
Hey! Be quiet. We're here now, guys. Do you wanna go in there?
Give him a chance to get you.
Not. Have a look.
No.
Wala pa dito yung mga pinsan ko, guys. They're still coming.
Oh, maybe it's down.
They're here now, guys. My Tito Edgar. Tito, say hi sa to.
Hello.
Hi. Hi, AJ, guys. No more single. Too late. See? Someone.
You have to cancel that OnlyFans account.
Oh, where's Joy? Happy time.
Maulawan po ka na, oy.
Ay, shush, oy! Maulaw, oy. Ang tita nga papa.
This is so pretty.
Oh my days of the year. Did you
Uy, naunsa na mo?
muscles, bro?
Yeah, I know.
Ben, show me the muscles, Ben. Hala, grabe ah. It's bursting.
Sir, I'm gonna be gay for you.
Ah, sorry. It's exploding. Oh, look at the food. Wow, they have rice, fried chicken.
Don't worry about the food.
Ah, adobo. Let's see, pampahaba ng buhay. And no crying, anak. Hello, Hi. Hi, who's holding you? Nanay's holding you.
Come here, Paris. Come.
Go.
Come here. So like that again. Come here. So like that. You're gonna sleep. Smile.
I'm not crying anymore. It's okay, the virus is there, see? Don't be scared.
Yay!
A little bit anara pa siya, but
Okay man siya.
getting better. Now, nakahurot na ang pagkaan, guys. Oh.
Ayaw si tatay.
Hilak na po na.
Lalingi pa yun na natin nanay.
Nanay is here.
Daghan mga nanay dili. Nanay. Tatay mo na
Una ni Sibin.
Uy, kang Paris.
It's okay.
Kang Paris, kay una.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andre. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! 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 Make a wish, oy! What my wish?
Akong wish?
Yeah.
Wish.
Can't tell anybody.
Yeah, just silence. Yeah.
Yay! Happy birthday, Andre!
Tomorrow, isn't it?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Trey.
Yeah.
Yay!